This video will explain how to upload your final project document report and your final document and your final project presentation in Blackboard. That was hard to get out. So navigate to your Blackboard course and on the left-hand menu, find the Final Project tab. You'll see the documents that I made available to you about completing the project. But let's say, okay, my project report is done and I need to upload it in Blackboard. So I would come to this tab, Final Project Document Upload, and all I need to do is browse my computer and find that document. So I'm going to go to my computer and I don't know, just find something. There we go. That's my document. So I'm going to double click it. It has attached that file, and all you need to do is hit submit. So now when I see it as a teacher, I will see the assignment you uploaded, and this will give me the opportunity to grade it, and this is where you would see your grade. But when you get this screen, then that means your project report was uploaded perfectly. Now, let's go back to Final Project and let's upload your presentation. So I'm going to go to Final Project Presentation Upload. But instead of browsing my computer, I need to go to Write Submission. And in that Write Submission box, I'm going to click Mashups. And underneath Mashups, I'm going to click Kaltura Media. Give it a minute. It takes a while for it to open. Then you will come up to the upper right-hand side and click Add New. And underneath that, you're going to click Media Upload. So now it's saying, go to your computer and browse to find a file to upload. Well, you got to remember where you placed your presentation file. So I need to choose a file to upload, and I think I saved a practice one on my desktop. Yes, there it is. So there is my final presentation. I'll double click it, and you'll watch it as it loads. I would suggest that you give this a name with your name. I'd say Melissa Hardiman Final Project Presentation. Please sure to give it a name so when I open it, I will know whose presentation I'm looking at, and it will help you as well. So always document. So there's the name. Now notice the green says if the upload is completed. What you do next is click Save and Embed. Take it a minute. You'll see that in this case, I have a blue line running across the top of my screen. And you'll notice in this text box, it has uploaded your final presentation. That's all you need to do, and then click Submit. And that will submit your final presentation. When you get this screen, that means you did it successfully. And I will see this screen, and that's going to enable me to watch it and grade it. One last upload you're going to have to do is upload your presentation to the discussion board. So you'll go to the discussion board tab here. And, I've done a couple of things, but you're going to have to subscribe to this board, and then you're going to have to create a thread. So when you create a thread, you're going to give it your name. Melissa Hardiman Final Project Presentation. You're going to click the old mashup. You're going to click Kaltura. And you may already have it in your listing. There it is. There's the one I uploaded earlier. So instead of adding new, I'm just going to embed it. So what will be inside this box, maybe not much noticeable, but it should have embedded your video. When that is done, we're just going to click submit. And now what you did is you created a thread. It has your name on it, and it has your project presentation. So other students will be able to come in and open that up and view your presentation and then make some comments. And everybody is required to comment on at least 3 of the presentations. So I would open a presentation, I would watch it, oh, I don't think I had any volume on this. Let me check to see what's happening. Oh. Ooh, what's happening with the volume? Let me try that. That's all the way up. I'm not on headphones though. Maybe I need to change that. Well, that's beside the point right now. This gives you an opportunity to view the video, the presentations, and you can reply, make a comment. So make a comment on, of course that's going to happen. I still can't get rid of that error message from popping up. Anyway, here is where you would type in a comment specific to their presentation. I don't want good job, hey, way to go. I want something like, I really liked the way, let's say, your statistical question. On whatever. And then something maybe about the data. I thought the mean value would have been higher than 32. Anyway, I want you to make a meaningful comment on at least 3 of the posts, and that's how you would do it, and then just submit, and I'll be able to see your comments, and so will your fellow classmates. I can just click OK, and it's going to go back to the threads, and I could watch some others and make comments. I hope this has been helpful on how to upload both your report and your presentation. Please let me know if you have any questions.